Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This F-150 is equipped with the 302A Sport package. So you've got your running boards along the side here, remote entry keypad, blind spot on the mirrors, your power window controls. Interior is cloth with a sport stitching. You've got power controlled seats with lumbar. They're also heated. Power adjustable foot pedals for the driver. .5-liter V8 in this F-150. You get your infotainment screen here with trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and vehicle settings with pre-collision. Cruise control on the left, hands-free on the right. Up top you've got your hill descent controls, traction control, four-way flashers. You've got plow gear use and auto start stop. Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, 4G hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, Bluetooth for your phone, satellite radio, and many other features. A locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then trailer backup assist. Your climate controls are right here. You've also got a cubby down here with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet with a household plug. Center console shifter with various drive modes. Those include normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, and sport. Coming around to the back, you got a paint matched rear bumper, trailer hitch setup, and a spare tire just under there. Rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. You've got your bed liner here, your truck bed with a tailgate step, LED box lighting, as well as a rear passenger window. Have the option to put a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner in here. Taking a look at the rear, you've got rear cloth seating. They do fold up for more storage. Center console in the rear has 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and another household plug. You've also got 2 adjustable fans for the rear passengers, a dome light back here, as well as 2 hooks. And then back up to the front, you've got a paint-matched front bumper with a gun metallic gray grille, halogen headlights and fog lights, and LED turn signals, tow hooks, and plow accessory gear. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.